Welcome everyone. In this walkthrough we'll look at a calculation to work out the empirical formula of a compound. I'll explain how addition polymers are formed from alkenes. We'll also look at EZ isomerism. This is a type of stereoisomerism that is present in some alkenes. In the final part of the question, I'll explain why some polymers are biodegradable whereas others are not. All of this content is relevant to A-level chemistry students. This is the format for the walkthrough. It's an AQA A-level chemistry year 2 past paper question. Details are in the description. Let's get started. Pause the video, read the question and press play when you're ready for the answer. This is a hydrocarbon. The only types of atom present are hydrogen and carbon. We can use this to work out the percentage of hydrogen. It's a good idea to use a table when answering questions like this. The percentage of hydrogen is found by subtracting 88.2 from 100. The percentage of hydrogen is 11.8%. Find the atomic mass of hydrogen and carbon. You can use the datasheet if you need to. If 100 grams of the substance was present, there will be 88.2 grams of carbon and 11.8 grams of hydrogen. We can work out the amount of each element present by dividing mass by molar mass. To find the ratio of carbon to hydrogen, divide through by the lowest amount. 7.35 divided by 7.35 is 1. 11.8 divided by 7.35 is 1.61. Empirical formula is the lowest whole number ratio of atoms present in a substance. The ratio we have here is quite tricky. You may need to use trial and error to get to the empirical formula C5H8. Here's the next part of the question. Press play when you're ready for the answer. Addition polymers are made from alkene monomers. Each carbon in the double bond can be attached to different atoms or groups. I have labelled these R1 to R4. Many monomer molecules come together to make a long polymer chain. The double bond opens up to make a single bond. One repeat unit is shown in brackets. N bonds go through the brackets to show that a bond will form to more repeat units. The correct monomer is now shown on the left. However, to address the question we have to give the skeletal formula for the monomer and the IUPAC name. There are 4 carbon atoms in the longest consecutive chain and 2 double bonds. The double bonds are in positions 1 and 3. The IUPAC name for this molecule is buta-1,3-diene and the skeletal formula is shown there above the name. Here's the next part of the question. Press play when you're ready for the answer. EZ isomerism can occur in some alkenes. This is a type of stereoisomerism. There is restricted rotation about the carbon-to-carbon double bond. For EZ isomerism to occur, each carbon atom in the carbon-carbon double bond must be attached to 2 different atoms or groups. And here's the final part of the question. Press play when you're ready for the answer. Some polymers are biodegradable. They will break down in time. For a polymer to be biodegradable, they need to be susceptible to attack from other substances. For example, the ester and amide links in polyesters and polyamides can be hydrolyzed. Carbon-to-carbon bonds are strong and non-polar and cannot be hydrolyzed. Thanks for watching. Post in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Good luck with your studies and take care.